It was a normal Tuesday morning in Columbus, Ohio. Mike Thompson woke up early, like he always did. Made coffee, checked his emails, then walked into the kitchen, where Sarah was packing lunch. She smiled. "Have a good day, love." He kissed her forehead, hugged Ethan and Lily, and walked out the door. For 12 years, this was his life. Steady job, health insurance, a house that wasn't perfect, but was theirs. And something even more important, certainty. Because Mike didn't just go to work every day. He showed up as the man who kept everything together. By 3:40 p.m. that same day, that man was gone. A Zoom call. No warning. 10 minutes later, 87 people laid off. Just like that. One call. 12 years. Gone. And for the first time in a long time, Mike didn't know who he was anymore. At first, he told himself it would be fine. "I'll find something soon." So he updated his resume, applied to dozens of jobs, woke up early every day, just like before. But slowly, things started changing. The replies stopped coming. The interviews never happened, and the silence started getting louder. Bills didn't stop. Mortgage, groceries, insurance, savings began to disappear, one small payment at a time. One evening, his son asked, "Dad, why aren't you going to work?" Mike smiled, but inside, something cracked. Because it stopped feeling like a situation and started feeling like the truth. Like maybe he just wasn't enough. 3 months later, everything caught up. A late mortgage notice, another rejection email, another reminder that nothing was working. That evening, Mike sat alone in his car, rain hitting the windshield, phone in his hand. And this time, he didn't hold it in. He cried. Not just for the job, but for the version of himself he thought he had lost. "You failed." The voice in his head was louder than anything else. Then the passenger door opened. Sarah sat down beside him. She didn't try to fix anything. She just held his hand and said, "I married you, not your paycheck." And for the first time, Mike stopped pretending he was okay. The change didn't come overnight. It started small. A conversation, a support group, hearing other fathers say the same things he felt, and realizing he wasn't alone. One day, someone said something simple. "You explain things really well. You should make videos." It sounded ridiculous, but Mike had always loved teaching his kids. So he tried. A phone, a garage, no editing, just honest videos about what it feels like to start over. The first month, 47 views. But somehow, those 47 views felt different. Because for the first time in months, he wasn't just waiting. He was doing something. And just when things felt a little better, life hit again. A rainy evening, a red light missed, a crash. Sarah's car destroyed. Broken bones, hospital bills, fear back again. Mike sat there, watching everything fall apart again. This time, it wasn't just his life. It was his family. And for a moment, he felt the same thought return. What's the point? He almost stopped everything. The videos, the effort, all of it. Then one night, Sarah asked to see them. She watched quietly, then said something simple. "These aren't just videos. They're helping people." The next day, one video started spreading. Messages came in. Fathers from different cities saying the same thing. "Thank you." And slowly, something shifted. Not a big success, not a perfect life, but momentum. Small opportunity followed, then another. And for the first time in a long time, life didn't feel like it was collapsing. It felt like it was moving. Years later, Mike still thinks about that Tuesday. Sometimes he wonders, what if none of it happened? What if the job stayed? What if the accident never came? Would life be easier? "Dad!" His daughter's voice pulls him back. He looks up. She's smiling, Sarah behind her. And in that moment, he exhales. Because suddenly, he understands something simple. Life was never meant to stay perfect. It was meant to change. And no matter how many times it breaks, the story doesn't end. This is life. And the show must go on.